Welcome back, guys. Today we are going to discuss and we are going to check each and everything in the white paper of Oryx platform. So before moving on, kindly do me a favor and subscribe our channel Expert Studio and also press the bell icon so you are not going to miss any of our video. From today, basically I decided one thing, that any project which I am going to share with you, any ICO or IEO, I will definitely share the entire white paper with you, and then you can realize and you can basically understand the main features of that very platform. So today we are going to discuss regarding Oryx, and I am going to check each and everything and will try my level best to basically share all the data of Oryx. And also a second thing, I will try my level best to share the main themes and the main work of this token, so you will basically decide it very easily, either you have to invest in this token or not. First of all, you have to come on the main platform of fororyx.com, and then you have to open the white paper. In the white paper, you can see the main things of the Oryx platform. Here you can see e-commerce is in the Middle East is growing. There are number of large players in this business, mainly traders, brokers, banks, insurance companies, and public institutions, both national and international firms. The Oryx project upholds an ambitious set of goals stated in the roadmap, but yet manageable. The roadmap is a dynamic list of the aspirations of the company and the community. The Oryx team will maintain a roadmap that is malleable but also feasible in order to focus on the essential components of the project while leaving some wiggle room for necessary adaptations. Decentralization of e-commerce to the world at large, this is their goal and their vision. Oryx works on collective adaptation of token usage in real world application, exchange platform, store, crypto games, crypto platform, and e-commerce mainly. So basically this token is related to the e-commerce industry. As we all know, at this time e-commerce industry is growing day by day. Okay, the thing is, there in our everyday you can see one thing, that we are just basically using the e-commerce, especially the ladies are using okay, with the whole world global at this time, the ranking of the mainly countries that at this time mainly you can say any developing country, mostly the developing countries are using the e-commerce facilities, e-commerce main things. They are buying the things directly from the online stores, so basically their main focus is on the e-commerce. Secondly, here you can also see Oryx main objective is to provide a token ORX to our partners and act as, you can say, intermediary body with accept cryptocurrency to transfer funds and payments within our platform. So basically the Oryx platform will use, you can say in this case, that it is basically the fuel token. The ORX token is basically the fuel token of the Oryx platform. Now what you are going to get in the main platform, the main theme, for example, if you are going to use their main website, how you can basically take advantage from that, that is entirely a great thing. Seriously, I'm going to share that one thing. For example, in normal words we can say like this. For example, you want to buy anything from USA and you are living in UK. At this time, what you have to do, you don't have to go outside your home, you don't have to do anything like you don't have to do like the wire payment or anything. You can use the Oryx platform and you can buy whatever you want to do, and you can transfer the payment directly from your home, from your laptop or mobile phone. That is basically the first thing. Here you can see the second thing, Oryx will develop okay, you can say all-in-one e-commerce main solution. This open source software will be improved constantly to solve our merchants need based on free market to payment flexibility powered by blockchain technology. Very soon the thing is this, you will be able to use their e-commerce store, and where okay, for example, if you are if you want to basically provide any type of your own services, your own products, you can sell it over there, so it is entirely easy for you. Secondly, they are going to launch their own exchange, Oryx Exchange. Secondly, Oryx the crypto platform, Oryx Store, Oryx Games platform, Oryx Internet Services, Oryx Cash, and more blockchain apps. It means number of apps are going to use Oryx. It means, for example, you are playing a game on your personal mobile phone. Now they are demanding any type of funds. So you don't need to pay them with the credit card, with the debit card or anything else. You can pay them directly the ORX token. If you have this token, you can pay that one token, and that is the main utilities. Okay, and secondly, you can see the Oryx Cash. So Oryx Cash is also the same thing. If you want to send any type of payment, you can send them the payment. Oryx Exchange. What is Oryx Exchange? For example, you have the fiat currency in your pocket and you want to buy the crypto, but you don't have you don't have BTC, Ethereum or LTC, anything. The thing is this: if you have your fiat currency, you can easily use the Oryx Exchange and you can buy any type of the cryptocurrency directly in the Oryx Exchange with your fiat. That is such a great thing. The Oryx store, for example, you want to buy anything, any type of, you want to buy the trimmer, then you can use the Oryx store. That are the main services of this platform Oryx. So that is such a great thing and the basic thing. Here you can see Oryx, who we are. Oryx will operate as a multinational company with employees all over the globe. As time goes on, with all successful products we dish out to the public, our employees have many different backgrounds and skill sets which will benefit the company as it grows into varying fields of operations. We are building the leading decentralized blockchain based marketplace by enabling merchants to actively participate in every important decision. We empower them to be more than just customers of a platform. Basically, the thing is this: every day they are hiring new people. Why? Because they just want to expand their whole team. The thing is this: when the team, for example, if they have the team in about 170 countries, then you'll be able to use ORX token all over the world. That is such a entirely a good thing regarding the Oryx platform and especially the Oryx token. Here you can see what is Oryx all about. Blockchain, the blockchain is a public ledger that records Oryx transactions on the Ethereum blockchain. As I told you before, basically ORX token is an ERC20 token. A novel solution accomplishes this without any trusted central authority. The maintenance of the blockchain is performed by a network of communicating nodes running cryptocurrency software with smart contract. Oryx will help mitigate the delays and slow transaction that occurs in non-scalable chains after it launches its own mainnet. Basically, the thing is this: right now ORX token is on the mainnet of Ethereum. As we all know, it is basically an ERC20 token. So very soon they are going to be on their mainnet. Then it means that it has its own blockchain, and the timing of the transfer and also the fee of the transfer will basically cut off and it will be entirely fast. And here you can also see Oryx is a project that will have its own blockchain in the future with optional privacy fostering the adoption of cryptocurrency as it is centrally e-commerce based. As I told you that you will be able to use the e-commerce main services all over the world with the help of Oryx token. So the thing is this: at this time they are saying that very soon they are going to swap their token to mainly their own mainnet. It is not it is not like this that on tomorrow morning they are going like this. No, but very soon, in maximum you can say 1 year or you can say 8 to 10 months, they are going to go on their mainnet. That is such a great thing regarding their platform. The main purpose of Oryx is technically decentralizing online payments, electronic transactions, giving solutions to online merchants by providing applications that speedily resolve issues concerning slower services and improving e-commerce business and building useful apps. The thing is this: right now Oryx main thing is this, that they are going to give you a solution in the sending of the payments and especially in the e-commerce business. So that is basically the main theme of Oryx platform. and especially the ORX token. So if you understand it well, then then it's entirely good. If you didn't understand anything, then you can directly message me in the comment section, or you can join them on the social media and you can ask whatever you want to ask directly in their personal social media accounts, and the team is there for you to help you 24/7. Thanks a lot. If you like my video, kindly hit the like button and also share this video with some of your friends. I will definitely tell you very soon regarding the ORX Cash and also how you can purchase ORX token at this time at very low price. Thanks a lot.